how to show or hide out of stock message on product listing pages on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show it or hide it. First open your browser, and then once you're here all you need to do just click settings, and then scroll down until you find the products inventory settings, and then scroll down, and here we'll find the stock level, and that's it. Now here we'll find show out of stock message on product listing pages, and that's it. If you want to show it, just click show and then save. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.